Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a comic book store website using Shopify. So first, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we are going to go over here on the top left to products, and here we're going to click on add a product. Now we're going to start to fill all the blanks with our products information. For example, I'm going to start with my Star Wars comic book. There you go. Now I'm going to copy my title, and here for the description I'm going to paste it right over here on generate text. I'm going to click on generate, and this way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate the description again or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to select an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor collections and tags section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your home page. And here for tags, you can put whichever you like. For example, I'm just going to put comic book. There you go. Now, below our image, we're going to have a category section. Now, usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. So, if we want to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to click over here and just change it if we so want it. For the pricing, let's say that we are going to charge around 40,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around 30,000 pesos. This is going to give us with a 10,000 pesos profit at a 25% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, we're going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on save. So as you can see, if we go back here, we would have our first product ready. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add a product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So as you can see guys, here I have added a bunch of new products. For example, my Batman comic book, my Naruto manga, and the Amazing Spider-Man comic book. So once we have all of our products ready, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store and we are going to start to customize it. Now the first thing that we're going to be able to customize is going to be its theme. If we go down, you can see that we're going to have a bunch of different free themes to use, or if we click over here on visit theme store, we are going to have a bunch of different themes that we can shop for and buy if we so wanted. Now some of these themes may better suit our website, but for me I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to be able to start customizing all of these sections for our website. So as you can see here, each section is going to be outlined by this blue line, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. Now on our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize these sections. For example, this is our image banner, and if I click over here on select, add images, I'm going to be able to select an image to be our banner. So once this is done processing, I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, the background is going to change. Now next, I'm going to click on our heading to change the text right over here on the right. I'm going to put, for example, welcome to my comics, welcome to my comic bookstore. There you go. Now let's see that we want to add a new section to our website. So what we're going to do is here on the left where it says template, we're going to click over here on add a section, and we're going to choose one of the options. For example, we're going to have a featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see here, a new section is going to appear. Now on the right, I'm going to click on select over here, and we're going to select one of our products to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my Batman comic book, and as you can see now, the product is going to be displayed right over here. Now let's say that we want to change the color scheme of our new section. For example, I'm going to put a nice dark theme. There you go. Now another thing that can happen to us is that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to add a featured collection, and as you can see, it's going to appear right here at the bottom. Now if we want to delete this new section, what we're going to do is make sure we have it selected, and once it's selected, we're going to go over here on the bottom right, and we're going to click on remove section. This way this section is going to be completely removed. So we can also add sections to our footer. Over here you can see that we can add an email sign up or a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Here if we click on add section, we can also add a custom liquid or an announcement bar. For our header, over here, another very important thing is that where it says here my store, our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit, we're going to go to the home page of Shopify, and here where it says name your store, we're going to click here and click on name store. And here we are going to be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm just going to put comic book store. There you go. Now I'm going to save my changes. And in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store. But now instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots, preview, and this is going to redirect us to our website. And as you can see here on the header, the name of the store is going to be changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done customizing our and checking out our website, we're going to go back over here in order to go to the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say I'm going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and a Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on Browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on Set End Date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.